Okay, I'm compelled to share a secret. So for over a year, I have been compiling my notes that I put together for my clients in real estate. So I would talk to them on the phone and give them advice and information, and I would follow up with an email and explaining things in more detail so they could be sure to build that relationship with them. So I was going to put that in a book because I found that a lot of people don't have that knowledge, and a lot of realtors don't even know that. They don't know what they don't know, because all they're really looking to do is to sell you a property, and you do your due diligence on everything else. But I like to inform my clients, and especially inform my community, about real estate investment strategies. And as we have gotten older, I've seen us all, my community, my friends and family, build up equity and wealth and how they can start investing.